Let's talk about the Digital ReeL user interface. So here I am on the login screen where you'll be able to type your username and password and then log into the application. If you forgot your password, you can click here to recover or change your password. If you're looking for assistance with Digital ReeL, you can click down here to contact our support team. Let's log in. Now once you log into Digital ReeL, you're going to be presented with the general user interface. Now in this instance, as an admin of this account, I do have a couple different applications up here that I will not get into right now. What you will see when you log in as a standard user will be your data sets. Now in this case, I have 23 data sets that I have access to in this sample application. In most cases, customers will have one data set that they're using. Occasionally they may have two or more data sets, but in most cases you'll see one data set that you're utilizing. When you find the data set you're interested in looking at, you can click there, and then you'll be inside of that particular data set where you can click on various document types. And in this case, since it's a newspaper microfilm application, it's based on title. We can click this title and drill down like a Windows folder to a specific issue within that microfilm. There may be a search bar on the right side where you can search for index points using the search fields. There's the text search bar where you can type in words or phrases to look across your entire data set. So let's say you have 1,000 rolls of microfilm. You can search for words or phrases across all 1,000 rolls by typing them in here. You have the help button here, where depending on what type of user you are, standard user or an administrator, you'll have various manuals, help videos, and release notes. And then this is your account tab where you can change your password and log out. Now if I click into the title here, the document type, it continues to drill down, and these breadcrumbs start expanding so you can see where you are in the data set. And you can go back to a specific location if you choose to jump back. Down at the bottom here, there are also links to our website, terms of use, copyright notice, and privacy policy, and then the last time that this user logged in. And that's the user interface for Digital ReeL.